My friends call me Ramaniak, and I collect Coleman lanterns. In addition, Internet. Toll.
In September 1976, Viktor Belenko defected to Japan in his MiG-25 Foxbat jet fighter. But in that same year, there was another defection so embarrassing to the Soviets that its particulars remained a secret for more than 30 years. All media accounts of Soviet Tupolev-95 flights participating in the Okean 76 naval maneuvers mention only 2 airplanes. Whenever they were confronted in private, however, the Soviets acknowledged that in reality, 3 planes took off from Russia. The 3rd aircraft crashed at sea, and everyone aboard perished. But what the Soviet authorities never acknowledged, publicly or privately, was that the 3rd Tupolev-95 made a bold and risky flight from the Soviet Union to Canada. Because its crew defected, the Soviets never admitted that such an event happened. Bear, Flight to Liberty, tells a thrilling story of the 3rd crew. Bear, Flight to Liberty, by Miguel Vargas Cava. This intense, action-packed novel focuses on the age-old battle of freedom against slavery, as the crew of a giant aircraft defect from the Soviet Union. Bear, Flight to Liberty, available in hardcover, paperback, and Kindle editions at BarnesandNoble.com, Amazon.com, or order it through your favorite bookstore.